Air consists largely of oxygen, nitrogen, and water. We need air to stay alive. However, we can just as easily use the nitrogen and oxygen contained in the air for other applications. Nitrogen in packaging, for example, prevents gradual oxidation, which keeps the products inside fresh for longer. Nitrogen in tires leaks out less rapidly than ordinary compressed air. The result? Less wear, improved performance, and increased safety. As nitrogen is non-flammable, it is often used as a fire prevention agent in tanks containing residual inflammable and explosive gas mixtures. The space above the contents of the tank is filled with nitrogen, which covers the cargo as a sort of non-flammable blanket. This method of blanketing using nitrogen is also used when flaring flammable gases. The nitrogen blanket in the pipe prevents any backflash from the flame. Nitrogen is also used to flush out pipes used to transport inflammable substances. Underground drilling operations, such as those performed in coal mines, often release fire damp, an inflammable gas. Flushing with nitrogen also helps to prevent fires or explosions in such situations. Reducing the percentage of oxygen in the air by adding nitrogen helps to prevent both rapid oxidation, fire, explosion, and gradual oxidation, decay. The use of Parker membranes, from the petrochemical industry to the food industry, is steadily increasing. Why? For one simple reason. Parker membranes offer the highest performance at the lowest cost. Enriched nitrogen is produced by passing compressed air through gas-separating fiber membranes. The properties of these hollow membranes are such that they allow water and oxygen to escape through the permeable wall, thus trapping a high concentration of nitrogen inside. The required capacity can be achieved by fitting literally thousands of these fibers into a single membrane module. This same principle can also be applied to produce enriched oxygen. More details of this process will be provided later. The basic constituent of Parker fiber membranes is polyphenylene oxide. This Parker patented synthetic substance gives the membranes their porous spongiform structure with an outer skin thickness of just 40 nanometers. This makes Parker membranes much more permeable than competitive products. However, Parker membranes offer many more advantages. Here is a list. The high permeability of Parker membranes enables you to produce just as much nitrogen at an operating pressure of just 7 bar as other products do at a pressure of 13 bar. Parker membranes, therefore, consume less energy, while the lower operating pressure helps to prolong compressor life, making the system design less expensive. Parker membranes do not require a heated supply of compressed air. This also saves the energy costs of running a heater. Parker membranes have a larger diameter and are stronger. They are less susceptible to fouling and have a life expectancy of over 10 years. The aging process of the polyphenylene oxide membranes is completed before the product is supplied. You, therefore, receive a stable product that does not suffer any loss of production capacity over time. The high permeability of Parker membranes means that you require fewer membrane modules, and thanks to their high performance, you can also use smaller modules. As a result, Parker membranes are utilized in industries where weight and volume play a crucial role, such as the aerospace, marine, and oil and gas industries. Parker supplies individual membrane modules that can be tailored to your particular needs. In addition, the range comprises a series of standardized nitrogen generators, which are ready for use. Many companies still use liquid nitrogen tanks. Parker views this as an entirely outdated concept. Nitrogen generators fitted with Parker membranes are so highly productive that it is far more efficient and less costly to produce your own nitrogen. Compared with a tank supplying nitrogen, the annual costs of running a Parker nitrogen generator are 50% lower. As a result, you can recover your investment in a Parker nitrogen generator within a year. Furthermore, you avoid the risk of nitrogen suppliers increasing their prices. Another advantage is that production can proceed uninterrupted, as you will never run out of nitrogen. Parker has special calculation programs that are used to calculate the cost benefits of Parker modules and generators compared to other suppliers for any requirements. Parker is confident that you will be guaranteed the lowest costs and the highest performance. And not only in the field of commerce. After all, Parker can continue to be of service to you, even when you are at home. Using the same principle that is applied to produce nitrogen, our special oxygen generators can raise the level of oxygen in a room by a few percent. Oxygen can also be added to the air used in steam showers. After spending just a few minutes in an oxygen-enriched environment, you will start to feel a lot fitter and capable of performing once more. Parker, high performance is in the air.